It is a profound honor to stand before you today, filled with gratitude and somewhat awe, as we celebrate the remarkable accomplishments of the first ever cohort under the Graduate Business Startup Grant Scheme that is currently led by TSLS and FCEF. And I congratulate both TSLS and FCEF for this wonderful initiative. This visionary scheme is, of course, championed by your government, the People's Coalition Government. It is a pioneering initiative, one that reflects on the government's unwavering commitment to innovation, economic growth, and the entrepreneurial spirit. It empowers talented and visionary young entrepreneurs like yourselves with the essential tools, capital, and mentorships needed to transform innovative ideas into sustainable, real-world businesses. That is why tonight we honor more than just academic success. We recognize resilience, entrepreneurial spirit, and the dawn of a new era of job creation driven by our graduates. Congratulations to the first group of graduates from this scheme. Today is a proud moment, I am sure, for you all and for your families. It marks an important step in your journey for graduates who are passionate about becoming entrepreneurs and have innovative business ideas that are ready to be launched, or as some have advised, are already launched and flying. The scheme aims to support these aspiring entrepreneurs, helping them to develop essential business skills, reduce risks, and prepare them for access to additional funding from donors and banks. Building on this, I'm excited to highlight a remarkable milestone this year for the first time. 21 TSLS graduates, individuals who once sought jobs after completing studies, are now part of the scheme. Instead of seeking employment, they are turning ideas into real businesses, taking active steps to bring their visions to life. In fact, you are job creators. This shift demonstrates the transformative impact of the scheme and the growing spirit of entrepreneurship that is present amongst our youth. With the scheme, these 21 graduates have received comprehensive training, as we have heard, and coaching across the entire spectrum, from business planning, human resources, business structures, and finance, etc. And I'm pleased to share they have had the opportunity to even submit their business plans and present their pitches to a panel of experienced business owners, allowing them to demonstrate and secure further support. This is absolutely inspiring. This scheme extends beyond just training and coaching. Upon completion of this program, you are awarded a $5,000 grant. I noticed that that cash was given a couple of weeks ago, and congratulations again for that achievement. Our ministry remains deeply committed to fostering innovation and supporting the next generation of entrepreneurs. Through the development of the MSME strategic plan, which we hope to launch soon, we are laying the groundwork for inclusive, forward-thinking entrepreneurship programs and robust systems, ensuring that every entrepreneur has the opportunity to thrive. As part of this commitment, under the YES initiative, which was mentioned by one of your speakers, we are proud to offer assistance of up to $30,000 to business owners between the age of 18 and 40 who bring innovative ideas and unique ideas. Our goal is clear: to empower young entrepreneurs, help them transform their visions into reality, and enable them to make a meaningful impact in the marketplace and in the economy. A shining example of this under the YES program is Mr. George Fong, the owner of TicketMax. And if you've been watching the Nrua lately, his ticketing system is what's being used to publish the tickets. Since launching the e-commerce platform, TicketMax has introduced a distinctive service in Fiji, providing online ticketing solutions for event organizers across the islands. I haven't tried, but I'm told that you can organize your cover bar sessions or cover fundraising using this platform. I'll have to test it out one of these days. Their platform enables seamless electronic ticket sales and online payments, positioning Fiji as a leader in digital event management in the Pacific. Graduates, this can be your future. Standing here today, sharing your success stories and inspiring other aspiring business owners. Your journey can serve as a beacon of motivation for others to follow. I want to commend those who have been working hard behind the scenes. Of course, TSLS and FCEF, Vinagawalevu once again, for providing these graduates with a platform to grow and deepen their business knowledge. To the trainers, mentors, and staff of FCEF, Vinagawalevu for your dedication in training and nurturing the next generation of business entrepreneurs, or as Mr. Mosio said, the next Elon Musk, maybe the next Bill Gates, who knows. And finally, to our radiant graduates, my message to you is this. You are vital, or the vital heartbeat of the MSME community. Innovators, trailblazers, and catalysts for progress, inspiring others to pursue their own dreams. Much like individual stars coming together to form a brilliant constellation, your dedication and vision and teamwork have the power to illuminate the path toward a brighter future for our economy and inspire lasting change across our nation. Once again, congratulations to the 2025 Graduate Business Startup Grant Scheme graduates. Give yourselves a round of applause. You have reached a big milestone and set a great example for others. Because of you, the MSMEs in Fiji have a brighter future. We look forward to seeing where your journey takes you next. And with those few words, it is an honor to be here today. Congratulations to the graduates. May God bless the Republic of Fiji, and may God bless you all. Nak.